Friends, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Please friends, like our video. We have a pet dog. We have a pet dog. His name is Jack. His name is Jack. It is white in color. It is white in color. It has long hairs on its body. It has long hairs on its body. He guards our house. He guards our house. He runs very fast. He runs very fast. He barks at the strangers. He barks at the strangers. I give him milk, fish, and meat. He is fond of bones. I give him milk, fish, and meat. He is fond of bones. He is so much faithful and obedient. He is so much faithful and obedient. I love him a lot. I love him a lot.